Welcome to the Raleigh Hub. We're located in Raleigh, North Carolina, and here we have our Robotics Center of Excellence. This building was really designed not only for our employees, but it's also designed to bring our customers to. This is not a one-size-fits-all type of industry, and collaboration is very important. You really got to sit down with your customers face-to-face and talk through the problems that they're experiencing so you can come up with the right solution for them going forward. Automation is really important right now in the U.S. because we're seeing a lot of manufacturers moving back to the U.S. But we still have a small labor pool that we've got to go figure out how do we supplement what we don't have. And so the answer there is, how do we automate more? How do we add things such as robotics to help supplement the lack of labor that we have to do those jobs going forward? I would highly encourage our customers and our channel partners to come here in Raleigh to see what we have, see the entire Schneider portfolio, which is represented here in the Raleigh Hub.